For homeowners in Weston, energy efficiency is more than a convenience, it's a necessity. With cold, windy winters, humid summers, and dramatic temperature swings throughout the year, your home's windows play a critical role in maintaining indoor comfort. While choosing an energy-efficient window is important, professional installation is what ensures those windows perform as intended. Even the highest-rated windows can underdeliver if they're not installed correctly. Here's how proper window installation dramatically enhances energy efficiency in Weston homes, and why hiring an experienced installer makes all the difference. Creates an airtight seal that eliminates drafts. Drafts are one of the biggest contributors to energy loss in Massachusetts homes. Small gaps around the window frame, even ones too tiny to see, can let cold air rush in during winter or warm, humid air enter during summer. Proper installation ensures windows fit tightly and evenly within the opening. Weather stripping is positioned correctly. Gaps around the frame are insulated and sealed. Caulking is applied with precision. This airtight barrier helps maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and prevents your HVAC system from overworking. Ensures windows perform to their full energy rating. Energy-efficient windows are engineered with advanced features like low-E coatings, insulated glass, and argon gas fills. But these benefits can be compromised if the window isn't installed perfectly level, square, and snug. Professional installation protects these performance features by maintaining proper pressure seals, ensuring sash and frame alignment, preventing unnecessary movement that breaks insulating seals. In other words, you get exactly what you paid for, a window that delivers maximum efficiency. Prevents water infiltration that damages insulation. Weston experiences heavy rain, snow, and ice, all of which can challenge a poorly installed window. Water that sneaks behind the frame can damage your walls, weaken insulation, and cause mold growth, problems that directly affect your home's energy performance. A skilled installer uses proper flashing techniques, high-quality exterior sealants, weatherproof barriers, correct frame placement. These techniques keep moisture out, ensuring your insulation stays intact and effective year-round. Stops air leakage that increases energy bills. Poor air sealing is responsible for a large percentage of household energy loss. Even a tiny gap can cause thousands of BTUs of heating or cooling to be wasted each day. Correct installation minimizes air leakage by filling voids around the window with the right insulation, sealing seams that commonly leak in older homes, ensuring the window locks and operates tightly without sticking. This lowers heating and cooling costs significantly, especially during Weston's long winter heating season. Reduces strain on your HVAC system. When windows leak air or fail to insulate properly, your heating and cooling system has to work harder to make up the difference. This leads to higher energy bills, uneven indoor temperatures, and premature HVAC wear. Properly installed windows help maintain consistent indoor comfort, reduce the number of heating and cooling cycles, keep rooms from feeling drafty or overly warm, improve airflow and humidity control. This results in more efficient HVAC operation and lower long-term maintenance costs. Protects your home from Weston's seasonal extremes. From winter nor'easters to humid summer days, Weston homeowners see it all. Proper window installation ensures your windows stand up to these challenges without losing performance. You get better wind resistance, stronger protection against temperature swings, reduced condensation on glass, better structural stability over time. This resilience directly contributes to a more energy-efficient home. Final thoughts: proper window installation is a crucial, but often overlooked, factor in creating an energy-efficient home in Weston. When windows are installed correctly, they deliver superior insulation, fewer drafts, better moisture protection, and long-term savings on energy bills. Pairing high-quality windows with expert installation ensures your home stays comfortable through every season Massachusetts brings.